Hi children, this is Deepika Baskar from G.K.Jain schools. Today I am going to take class for 4th standard, subject science, and the lesson name is food. Before going to the session, please subscribe our YouTube channel G.K.Jain school so that you never miss any new updates from our school. Okay children, shall we move on to the topic? The previous class we have seen about the food and the types of food, isn't it? So now we are going to see about the cooking methods of food. I'll show you one menu card. Okay, you have to find out whether all the food items are cooked by the same method. Children, look at the menu card given here. Do you see the food items on this menu? Do you think all these items are cooked in the same way? Let me explain you. What do we see in this picture? I can see idli, dosa, medu vadai, puri masala, idiyappam, pongal, coffee and badam milk. Different kinds of cooking methods are used to prepare these kind of food. Okay children, let me explain you about the cooking methods. What are the cooking method which is used in the preparation of food? First one is boiling. The next one steaming. Third one is pressure cooking. Then roasting. Fifth one is frying. Let us see all these in detail. So, the first method is boiling method. So, it is the method of cooking food by immersing it in a boiling water. The food becomes soft when boiling. For example, rice and egg. When boiling the rice, it becomes soft and easily digested by our stomach. The next one is egg. Egg is also prepared by the method of boiling. Students, now we are going to see about the next method, that is steaming method. It is a method of cooking food in steam by immersing the vessel in a container with boiled water. That means with the hot water. So, for example of steaming method are idli and idiyappam. Those food items are prepared only by this method. The next is the pressure cooking. Pressure cooking, it is a method of cooking food in a pressure cooker. For example, rice and dal. Rice and dal also prepared by the method of boiling also. Here also we can prepare these food items by the pressure cooking method. Students, the next method is a roasting method. It is a method of cooking by heating on a tawa or pan. So without covering it, we have to roast it the food things. Okay, for example, for roasting is cashew nuts and groundnuts. Students, the last method is frying method. So it is a method of cooking food in hot oil. So we can prepare the food in the hot oil. That means, for example, puri and chips. They are prepared by this kind of method. Okay. So these are all cooking methods. The first one is boiling, steaming, pressure cooking, roasting and frying. Students, we have seen about some cooking methods, isn't it? Now we are going to see about the different kinds of cooking. That is moist heat. By moist heat means it has moisture content in it. The next is a dry heat. On high temperature we can cook. The third one is other method. What are the other methods by the food materials are cooked? So first one is boiling method, because we already see this one, isn't it? By boiling method means we have to add some water. By steaming method also, in the container we should fill with the water. The third one, by the pressure cooking also we have to add water. So in these three methods we have to add water, because the food item which is prepared by these methods, it needs water to cook. The next one is dry heat. By dry heat mean on high temperature of heat, by roasting and by frying, baking. These three things are need dry heat. That means it needs high temperature to make the food items. The third one is other methods. What are the other methods are there? Microwave cooking. Nowadays in our houses itself we are having the microwave ovens, isn't it? By the microwave ovens also we can prepare the food items. Okay. So the next method is solar cooking. In this method, solar cooker is used to prepare the foods. It is an appliance by using the sunlight. It reduces the fuels and air pollution. For this purpose, we are using this kind of solar cookers. Okay, children? Now we are going to see the activity. Students, now we are going to classify the food items according to their cooking methods. Okay. Tabulate the given food items according to the cooking methods. Rice. Rice is prepared by the method of boiling and pressure cooking. Here only 4 options are there. Okay, so we are going to write the rice in the boiling method. While boiling, the rice becomes soft. So it is cooked by the method of boiling. The next one is puri. Puri is cooked by the method of frying. In frying in a hot oil, we can make the puris. The next one is murukku. Murukku is also by preparing the method of frying method. The next one is popcorn. Popcorn is prepared by the method of roasting method. In a tawa or a pan, we can prepare the popcorn. The next one is idli. Idli is cooked by the method of steaming. And milk. Milk by the method of boiling. And the fish. Fish are cooked by the method of frying. Okay. Then puttu. Puttu is kept in a vessel in a water. Okay. So it is prepared by the method of steaming. And dal is prepared by boiling as well as in the pressure cooking method. Here only the boiling method is given there. So we have to write in the boiling method. By boiling method we can cook the dal. Then idiyappam. Idiyappam, idli are all simple foods. Groundnut by the roasting method. That means cashew nuts, groundnuts are cooked by the method of roasting. Okay. So these are all food item which is cooked by these cooking method. That is rice, milk and dal are cooked by boiling method. Idli, puttu, idiyappam are cooked by the steaming method. Popcorn and groundnut are roasted. Then frying method, puri, murukku and fish. Okay children. So now we are going to see about the cooking habits. Habits mean a usual way of behaving. That means how we have to behave in the kitchen. Okay. First we should wash our hands with the soap before cooking. Okay. We should wash our hands with the soap. The next one is wash fruits and vegetables before cutting. Before cooking, we have to wash the fruits and vegetables. Wash cooking vessels with the soap. We should wash the cooking vessels with the soap. Student, don't use same oil for many days. That means we should not use the same oil for many food preparation. Don't use the food items after their expiry date because it will cause some problems in our body. So better avoid the expiry dated food items. Okay, these things should be followed before cooking. Okay, so today we saw about cooking methods and the cooking habits. Okay children, the next class we will see about the cooking utensils. Thank you children.